pardon me while I vlog. I'm going to try something new. No, not hold a cat on my shoulders. That's not new. He likes it up here. No, that's not new. I'm going to try something new on this channel and see if you like it or not. And I'm going to vlog. I'm going to try something new. I'm going to vlog. Who's here? Not with a cat on my shoulders. Well, I guess I am right now. But don't use your claws. Whoa! I stuck my finger in your butt. No, I won't use that. Don't worry. So, me cat and me, we're gonna vlog. We're gonna try something new, and just show you some parts of the day. Sadie, do you think I should vlog? Come on, come on. Don't let the bugs in. Dog cam. Tasty things on the floor. Toy. Thoughts of a dog. I just came in from the backyard, but I would like you to let me out in the front yard so I can be there as well. Okay, off you go. Nobody's out here. I feel inspired to take a whiz in the flowers, but I won't. I just feel like saying it. Well, that's not a good sign. He's hiding when I'm starting to vlog. Does this mean you're not in favor? Baby? Or are you going to take a nap? That sounded like a monkey. Look at that slimy ball. How would you like to touch that slimy ball? Yeesh. That's icky and it's slippery. And it's gooey and warm. And I can't shut it off. Oh, gotta hold it for 2 seconds. Mosquitoes on my arms. Get it! Pulling for camera. Sadie, how's your slime get in my hair? Ready? Get it! Get it! Step on the camera. Did you go boom boom? Or tumble? I guess boom boom means something else. Did you go boom? Here she comes. Come on, crazy doggy. Bring me the ball before I take it from you. Come on, Pooch. You're using up my batteries. Drink water. Good girl. There you have it. Fresh, clean water. Nice and cold right out of the spigot. She does not like drinking out of a bowl. But hello up there. Down here. Yeah, she doesn't like drinking out of a bowl because her slobber goes in it, and that's backwash. And nobody wants to drink backwash. Not even a Labrador Retriever. I know we didn't have a bowl of water because that makes your socks wet. And if your sock gets wet, then you have to pull it halfway off so that the wet part doesn't touch your foot. And that's kind of a walking hazard because you could trip on that. I hate wet socks. I hate them passionately. Can you tell I hate wet socks? Ooh, good thing I have bare feet because I just stepped in Sadie slobber. My whole concept of having her drink out of the faucet so that I don't get wet feet has backfired because she gets down and then drools it all out. Yeah, you're kind of sloppy, aren't you, that way? Are you a little overheated? I'm a pirate. I'm a pirate kitty. What'd you get stuck on your head? You trying to be a pirate? I'm a pirate kitty. What's on your ear? Get it, Sadie. Look at that kitty. Did you give him a nudge? Look at who was out chasing other kitties all night long because he snuck out. Yeah, that's you. You can't even keep your eyes open. You've been up all night long. Did you at least catch the baby bunny? Yeah? You talkative? Are you saying leave me alone? Were you in a kitty fight last night? Were you a bad kitty? Yeah. I have a silly dog here. Yes, I do. And a silly kitty out and about around the house. Is that the doggy derp look? Oh, get in here. See it? Do you see it? There's nothing in there, Sadie. See it? Do you see nothing? Look at nothing. Look at nothing.
Like you win nothing from the Snapple prizes.
Yeah. Does it say that on the cap?
Yeah, you win nothing.
You win. You win nothing, Sadie. You're picking up kitty toys now. Coochie, coochie, coochie.